Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. It's my long day. I feel great though. Finally, after not getting very much sleep all weekend, I went to bed at 9 o'clock last night. It felt amazing. I was so tired. I had laundry to do. There's so much stuff I could have done, but I listened to my body finally, and my body said, just go to sleep. You can do the laundry later. So I went to sleep and I slept 10 hours. I feel amazing. I feel so much better. So, whew, that's good. I'm back. Julie's back. So yeah, the whole sleep thing, man, what a great topic for this week in Weight Watchers, because it really hits home for me. So check out this little, I try to do like a little bump back here today. Probably won't stay for the whole day, but anyway, my hair it's getting long and I'm like so dying to cut it because I saw the cutest A-line bob online the other day. So cute. Michelle, you know what I'm talking about because Michelle said don't cut it. It's so cute though. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Okay, I just need to like stop, take a step back, because if I cut my hair there's gonna be way less that I can do with it, and I was kind of looking forward to having it long so that I could actually curl it and do some different stuff to it. I usually just so lazy I don't take the time to do anything to it except straighten it, because that's just the easiest thing for my hair and my schedule. Anyway, this is not about my hair, this is about, I guess it could be, it's about my life. Thanks to everyone who watches my life every day, because I tend to think it's very boring. Anyway, today is my long day. And it's Weight Watchers night. I thought I was only going to be working on Tuesday nights at my Weight Watcher meeting until the end of October. So this may be the last week that I'm working this meeting, and then if it is, I can actually just go and attend as a member, which would be nice because I haven't attended a meeting as a member in months, since probably spring. So that would be nice, but it depends on if I haven't heard from my coworker. I don't know if she's back from her time back east or not, so I will just keep working it until somebody says otherwise. But I do weigh in, even though I work this meeting, I weigh in when everybody else is in the meeting. I took a look at the scale this morning. My weight is up. My weight is up like a lot, meaning like 3 pounds. But I know that part of the problem is that I haven't really gone to the bathroom for quite a while. So I did chug down some Teami colon tea this morning, and by chug I mean chug, because I just do not like that earthy flavor of the colon tea, but dang, it works so well. Also, so I actually made it last night. I was going to drink it last night, but I was just so tired that I fell asleep before I had the tea. So I was gonna drink it last night. I find that it works so much better if I drink it overnight. I don't know if it's because your body's laying down resting and then it can utilize the tea properties better. I don't know what it is, but it works better for me if I take it at night. I did not take it last night because I just zonked out. So I chugged it down this morning, and usually when I take it in the morning it really does nothing. So I'm kind of crossing my fingers that it will help this morning, because I need that for my weigh-in, but we'll see. It is what it is. Also, I know that my weight is up because I had a crazy junk food weekend. Like, oh my gosh, I hope it's out of my system, because I had burgers, I had hot dogs, I had a Crunchwrap Supreme, I had French fries, I had ice cream. I had so much yummy, crazy food this weekend that I generally don't eat. So I know that that's part of why my weight is up as well, and I own that. I claim it. I take it. It's my fault. I just weird week. I don't know. It seems like every night I was craving some sort of fast food. So I went and got it. Last night was perfect though. Last night I was just going to have a smoothie, and Eddie's mom was making a salad, and it just sounded so good and so fresh, and so I had this huge massive salad. We had everything on it. It was better than a salad bar salad. We had sunflower seeds and pomegranate seeds and cranberries, dried cranberries, and sesame seeds and blue cheese dressing. It was just amazing. It was such a good salad. I haven't had a good salad like that at home for a long time because I don't make salads at home. I can't. It's too much. I don't cook at home. I just have no patience. I don't know why, but I don't have patience to cook, and I seriously don't have patience to cut up a bunch of vegetables. So thank you, Mama Rita, for that amazing salad. It was so good. It was so filling and so yummy. And then instead of eating junk, going for fast food, then I had half of my candy apple. So it was a toffee flavored candy apple. It was delicious. It was mostly apple with some chocolate coating on it, so I'm not feeling a bit bad about that. So yeah, that was my night last night, and just the early night to bed was just the best thing, the best. It felt amazing. So today I'm hoping to go for a walk with my coworker. I have not been doing that regularly, and I have not been doing my walk breaks regularly. I also know that the weather is kind of affecting that because it is cloudy and crummy out, and so on the one hand it feels good because I'm tired of being hot, and on the other hand it makes me want to stay curled up in my office cocoon and not go anywhere, so that could be bad. So anyway, I'm hoping to get out for at least one walk today, and then my lunch walk with my coworker because I haven't talked to him for quite a while, so it would be nice to catch up with him. That's all that's going on for me today. Oh, food for today. I am loving that I cleaned out the freezer and that I have at least 10 to 14 meals in the freezer that I could just grab and go. So that's what I did this morning. Again, I grabbed the Italian chicken pasta that I made, I don't know, a while back. It's high points. It's 11 points because of the pasta, but I love that I can just grab something and go to work. I didn't even make coffee because I can have coffee at work. We have Starbucks at work. We have a Starbucks machine, and it tastes amazing. So I can just have coffee at work, and I also don't really need snacks because we always have fruit at work, always. Mondays and Wednesdays they replenish the fruit, but there's always bananas and apples at all times. So I don't really need a snack because I'll probably have an apple actually tonight before the Weight Watchers meeting, but it's like perfect. Like, it's a combination of intermittent fasting and cleaning out the freezer and having food available in the freezer, because it's been so easy just to grab food because I know what's in there, and I've also made a couple things recently that have given me quite a few servings that I can just throw in there as well. So it's a combination of that. I'm loving that. And then the combination of intermittent fasting, where number one, I have to think about and prepare a lot less food. I'm not worried about breakfast and like a formal snack, and it makes me think about food a lot less. It's just easy. I just feel like intermittent fasting kind of makes my food life so much easier. And then, yes, I had a lot of fast food this weekend, but also if I want to have something more extravagant in the evening, I can, because I have the points because I'm intermittent fasting. So I don't know, it's going really well for me. I know a couple of you have voiced concern that I'm not eating all my points. Have no fear, I'm eating enough points, enough calories, bottom line, to survive. And obviously, because if my weight is up, I'm not doing any damage by under eating. I'm definitely not under eating, if that's what you're concerned about. So I just love intermittent fasting. It's a whole different mindset. If you can just make it through that first bit in the morning, then you're just gold for the rest of the day. It's awesome. I love it. Anyway, I am major stuck in traffic, so it's a good thing I'm on time today. LA traffic is no joke, you guys. It's ridiculous. I would love to live closer to my work. I would love it, but that won't work right now. So anyway, I'm gonna sign off and I'll show you guys what I have for my lunch. I'll probably, hopefully, if I take my first walk break, I'll probably talk to you before my lunch. But if I don't, I'll show you what that Italian chicken pasta looks like. Okay, all good intentions, but no breaks today. Here's my outfit of the day. No breaks because I forgot that I had a 1-hour meeting this morning during my regular break time, and then this evening I forgot that we had our office Halloween party with a bunch of kids and costumes and candy and all that stuff. So I was not able to get away at all for either walk break, but I did go on my 2-mile walk with my friend at lunch, so that was something at least. And now I'm trying to get out of here because I've got something I need to go look at before I head over to Weight Watchers and see what the good news on the scale is gonna be. Good news, I don't know about that, but we'll see. Okay, Weight Watchers is over, and big shout out to Teami tea. Thank you, Teami, because apparently the tea worked. I swear I was up this morning. Today when I weighed on the Weight Watchers scale, the Teami tea did work actually. And when I weighed on the scale, I am down 3.2 pounds. I am at 138.0, and that makes me so excited. I don't know if it's a fluke or if it's just a tea bowel thing, but I will take it, and I am super happy about that. If I could just maintain that for like the duration, I'd be so happy, so happy. I would just love to maintain 138. I don't need to go lower right now. I just want to be 138. Anyway, that's what the scale said tonight. 3.2 pounds lost this week. It's a miracle. I ate a lot of junk food this weekend, so go figure. Anyway, I'm headed to Shakers for my salmon salad. It's been a long day in a lot of ways. So I'm gonna go relax with myself, enjoy my salad, and call it a night.